Hello, everybody. Brian here from quantlabs.net. Today is, it looks like Tuesday, last day of August 31st at 12:15 my time, Eastern Standard Time. I'll show what's been going on in the markets, mainstream markets, that is, the last day or so. So, before we get started, I just want to make sure that you understand you can get yourself on our daily newsletter, as well as just go to the contact there, get yourself some free PDF books, and more or less get on our private chat server, no logging, and get all the info right here. So access it that way. Now, let's talk about what's been going on in the markets. We're reaching these all-time highs, but the markets are just eking out profit. Not very much is going on. Oil is losing. Gold is up a little bit. We've already covered silver is up 0.5%. Forex, well, we always know about the mix on that. Forex is looking mixed as well. More importantly, is the digital asset classes are not doing too good. Except here in the this one, we'll just leave it at that. And the foreign looking okay, a little better than yesterday in the States. So let's get on to what we use on MotoWave here. You can see here some of the pairs are doing okay, but there's never really any consistency here. This is the problem. You can see here that oil has started to continue that rally with slight long there. So you still have some faith in oil as a commodity. Last time I checked it, I did say oil and sugar. So here we have some supposed growth in silver and New Zealand dollar with a slight long there. Again, it's very flat. I don't know how people are expecting to make some cash here. When you look at that kind of return, that's okay, but then look what happens. A big drop. And that's with the Australian Swiss franc. There seems to be some strength in the Australian dollar, but with what's going on over there in the military tyrannical government, what they're bringing out, it's just pretty crazy. What can I say? Japanese yen starting to strengthen there with the euro. So this one's looking pretty good actually, is the euro USD. We had a rally one time, and this could be early stages of it, never know. But this could start to rally long term. That's euro USD. Japan 225 is looking pretty good. Rally, big bar move there with a nice long. So I don't know what to expect out of the stock markets globally with the U.S. with that kind of weakness I just showed on Yahoo. A 5-year bond, stable, starting to get a little more pricey. All these other exotics, lira, Turkish lira, the rand, never really pay a lot of attention to them. They're just not big enough. WTI's movement is no different than BCO, as you can see here. It should be similar. Natural gas did do well. Came back with a short. That seems to be continuing. As I said here, sugar is looking pretty good. We had a rally, pullback, and somewhat a recovery. Who's going to complain about that? Continuing along, looking for some decent pairs here. I don't know. I can go on. Here's Deutsche 30, very flat. Finally, we got the SPX. That looks like it's rallying pretty good, but it's calling for a short there. UK 100, a short somewhat, slight long there on the second one. And here we have the top 30 long there. It's been kind of flat. side range. That's since roughly here at the peak of it. I don't know when this day is. Let me just see here. Around August 16th. More longs than the Brent crude, BCO. Brent crude oil, that is. Here's a major pair. USD Canadian. Did that rally and it dropped back. All probably around performance of oil. But it's been performing pretty good. It's kind of gone flat again, so again, doesn't really excite me. USD, Japanese yen, very, very choppy. I just don't know how you could expect to make money trading this stuff. The only way is if you're doing mean reverting. Simple as that. Gold, again, kind of gone hit the range bound here since August 23rd. Gold and euro, same thing. Now I have silver here in Canadian, very flat. Same with euro, pound, two of those, and I move on. Very flat, not worth it. Australia 2000 had a nice start rally, 2 days, 3 days, where it's dropped back, starting to continue to move up. So Australia 200. Let's see here. Doji 30 again, very flat. Slight longs there. Japanese 225, I don't know, can't really say. Okay, Taiwan, does it have an opportunity? Yes, it does. Has a nice long there, I don't mind that at all. UK 10-year shorts popping up. Been very choppy, but flat lately, range bound. UK 100, same thing. US 30 year flat, but with a long call there. Here we have China weakening again. Because China's just not performing, and you can see that with those big drops there, like this one on August 27th. Again, here we have the SPX, so that says something right there, but it's calling for a short. US 2-year, 30-year, slight long, choppy, flat. 2-year moving up a little bit with a slight long. Same with the 5-year. Don't know. Not liking it. USD, Mexico peso is just all over the place. Starting to drop now. It was performing quite well. Had a buy the dip moment and now it's flopped. WTI looking okay. Nice longs there. BCO, same thing. I think this should start to perform. Let's see how soybean. How can you say there's an inflation with soybean dropping like that? That's at the retail level. For sure, that's driving those food prices. Still in the very good score. All of these are just kind of really hard to want to trade. Here's platinum. Always ends up the last one, basically range bound. That is all I can tell you. Hopefully you got something out of it. We shall talk to you later. Thanks for watching.